Hey everyone, welcome back to I Plan to Create. Debbie here. Today I wanted to unbox the Epson ET2720 printer, and I am going to be converting this into a sublimation printer. I actually bought the ink, the sublimation ink, to do just that, and I got the ink off of Amazon, and the printer I bought from Target. Now they were out of stock for a while now, so I've been looking around and the price was too much for me in other places, so I just waited it out and I finally found it for $200 on Etsy, so I was able to spend that. So I'm gonna unbox it to see what's inside. Alright, so I got the box to open up. And the first thing I see is a CD and I guess instructions and stuff like that. And now I just have to take it out of the box. This is the ink that comes with it. We're not going to use this. We're going to put this to the side because we're going to use the sublimation ink that I purchased. Here's the power cord, and that's everything that's in the box. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but I'm just going to remove all the blue tape that's on it. Just make sure that you find all the blue tape and remove. Now from the front, Alright, so she is all set up and ready for sublimation. Stay tuned for the next video where I will try this out on something, and I will see you then. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified when I do upload again. Until then, guys, have a good one.